Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps of adding your grandmother to your family members list on your Facebook profile using the Facebook app on your PC with the latest update. First, start by opening the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're logged in and on the main page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This action will take you directly to your personal profile page. Now that you're on your profile, it's time to access your About section. You can find the About tab just beneath your profile header, along with other tabs like Timeline, Friends, and Photos. Click on About to continue. Inside the About section, scroll down or look for the option labeled Family and Relationships. This is where you can manage and update your family connections on Facebook. Once you find it, click to enter this page. Next, you'll want to add a new family member. Look for the Add Family Member button. It's usually prominently displayed. Click on it, and a small window or pop-up will appear, prompting you to enter the details of your family member. Here, type your grandmother's name into the field provided. Facebook will suggest people based on the name you enter, especially if they're already on your friends list or connected to you in some way. Select the correct person from the suggestions. After selecting your grandmother's profile, it's time to define your relationship. There is a drop-down menu or option for choosing the family relationship. Scroll through the options and select Grandmother. This accurately reflects your connection. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click the Save button, and your grandmother will now be listed under your family members on your Facebook profile. That's it. You've successfully added your grandmother as a family member on Facebook using the updated app on your PC. It's a wonderful way to keep your family connections visible and celebrate those important relationships on your profile. Thanks for watching.